Hello everyone! For today's video, tara samahan nyo naman ako ngayong magluto ng meatballs. Ang nilagay ko pala ditong meat ay beef. At yan, naglagay lang ako dito ng salt and pepper with breadcrumb at syempre 1 egg with onion and garlic. Mag-additional din tayo dito ng konting vegetable powder para mas lalong sumarap. Ayan guys, mix together lang natin at pag okay na yung lasa niya, i-rest lang natin ng mga 30 minutes para mag-well combine talaga yung lasa ng ating meatballs. At ayan guys, it's time na for cooking. Magawa na tayo ng ating meatballs. At ayan guys, malalaki konti yung aking ginawa para mas masarap. Ayan, pwede din itong patis sa ating burger. At ayan guys, it's time for frying na. Ayan, pag nag-golden brown na yan, okay na yan guys. Thank you for watching my video. And please subscribe my channel. Hope you enjoy watching and see you on my next video.